whenever we give a lecture in our GTO at the SSB, there is a kind of nervousness in us because we have to stand there. The GP is also looking at us, plus our friends are also looking at us. So there is a little pressure and nervousness. So how to deal with that nervousness, sir? Because sometimes our voice shakes while speaking. Because this happens to me in the last time. Plus, like because of lack of communication in English, I used to speak in Hindi also for like 2 to 3 sentences. So how to deal with this situation, sir?
Okay, good question, nice question, and a very obvious question. So Prashant is asking very clearly that when we go for our lecturate in real time SSB, we we get nervous every time because people are looking at it and we have to stand alone, and GTO is also looking from some angle to us, and somehow we know this thing back of our mind and we get nervous, and due to which a lot of time we flunk what we are speaking, or we say something in Hindi and kind of things. So please understand that and how to handle the situation.
Yes,
So
sir.
now please all of you understand one thing. One thing which is a fact is, if you say that you do not have any pressure, that cannot be the case. The reality is you will going to have the pressure. Pressure will be there and it will be there and it has to be there. वो pressure कभी जाएगा नहीं और वो जाना चाहिए भी नहीं. So one thing is very clear. Now the question comes is how to handle this situation and why it happens that certain chaps, they are able to speak flawless while others are not able to do that. Though every chap who even speak flawless, जो बिल्कुल बढ़िया लेक्चरेट में बोलता है बिना किसी टेंशन के, नर्वसनेस और प्रेशर उस पे भी होता है, ऐसा नहीं उस पे नहीं होता. But there are few chaps who are able to speak flawless and there are people who are not able to speak flawless. दोनों पे नर्वसनेस होती है. Now what is that difference which enables some aspirants to speak flawless and some aspirants get into a pressure? Number one, whenever you go in the lecturate and while speaking, if you carry a mindset that I have to perform good and I have to showcase that I am speaking very well and I am delivering a very good content, trust me, you will going to flunk. As in, आप नर्वसनेस का प्रेशर आप पे बढ़ जाएगा और आप कहीं ना कहीं लड़खड़ाओगे. Because when the intention or the thought process has this thing in your mind कि नहीं यार मुझे अच्छा करना है, मेरे को लोग देख रहे हैं, मेरे बढ़िया चीज बोलूं वगैरह वगैरह, technically you become deliberate, or in other words you become too conscious. तो जब आप बोल भी रहे होते हैं तो आपका ध्यान कंटेंट की तरफ नहीं होता है या मुझे क्या बोलना है, आपका ध्यान पता है कहां होता है? आपका ध्यान चिंता में होता है. इट इज इन अ वरी. एंड व्हाट इज द वरी? यार मेरा सही तो जा रहा है, कोई दिक्कत तो नहीं हो रही है, कहीं मैं बोल पाऊंगा, 3 मिनट तक कंटिन्यू कर पाऊंगा.
Exactly, same thing
All
happens.
these things will come to your mind.
Yes,
क्योंकि जिस गोल से आप वहां खड़े हुए हो, जिस गोल से आप वहां खड़े हुए हो, वो गोल आपको भटका देगा. Until and unless you do not finalize a goal, you do not keep a goal very straight and strict, till that time you will not be able to keep and deliver yourself in the best possible way that you have to do certainly.
okay.
चिंता जो है वो आपके माइंड को पकड़ लेगी. The worry will going to capture your mind. It will going to hijack your intelligence and your mind. So this is the point number one which you need to understand, and this is the difference between a candidate able to speak flawlessly and a candidate not able to speak flawlessly, irrespective of the fact that both have the pressures. दोनों पे pressure होता है. Got it?
Yes.
Point number one. Point number two. When candidates pick up a topic out of their range, as in they know on a topic but that's a very simple topic and they say no, let me do one thing, I will manage and I will handle. I am a good orator, I can speak, I do not have any problem in communication, let me handle a little more heavy topic and I will manage. That is a second mistake they do. Why? Few of the smart candidates, to whom I will not call smart, but I will call over smart, and then they get into a problem. They pick up such topic, they start very good, and the moment they stop somewhere, जहां कहीं ब्रेक लगती है, क्योंकि कंटेंट तो होता नहीं है, तो उसके बाद नर्वसनेस डेवलप होने लग जाती है कि अरे यार फंस गया, अब क्या बोलूंगा, ओहो अब तो कोई दिमाग में थॉट ही नहीं आ रहा, समझ ही नहीं आ रहा, अब क्या करूंगा, what I'll do, and things like will. So second mistake which people do, and that makes a difference. Please pick up a topic within your capacity. That means जिस पे आपकी पकड़ है, आपको पता है जी हाँ जी इसके बारे में मुझे कुछ पता है, and I can speak onto it and I can really deliver onto it. Right. So this is the second very, very important thing. And the last thing for managing this thing, जब आप टॉपिक पे जाइए, आपका फोकस सिर्फ दो ही चीजों पे होना चाहिए. Or in other words, your consciousness should only be on the two things. Number one, whatever I should speak, just remember that first secret, the sync of the mind, thought and speech. So first focus should be कि जो मैं बोल रहा हूं, I should talk sense. ऐसा ना हो दिमाग में कुछ चल रहा है और मुंह से कुछ भी शब्द निकलते जा रहे हैं. And second, I have to follow a pattern where I should give an introduction, core, and then I should go to the conclusion. If you will keep just this as a focus, automatically what will happen? Automatically you will be able to perform very well. इस फोकस को और सुंदर समझाने के लिए मैं आप सबको एक मिनट की छोटी सी एक रियल टाइम, छोटी सी आपको एक रियल टाइम स्टोरी बताता हूं और आपको समझ आ जाएगा. So there was a gentleman working in a corporate sector and really fed up because people used to say a lot of things about him and everyone was doing a backbiting. मतलब उसकी चुगलखोरी सारे करने में लगे थे, कोई कुछ बोलता था, कोई कुछ, and he was fed up. So he went to his boss and he said, I want to resign. I am fed up now. I don't want to work. So he said, look, no problem. I will take your resignation wholeheartedly. I just want you to do one thing. So he said, okay, sir, what? He said, okay, do one thing. Take a glass of water. It has to be filled up to the brim. बिल्कुल top तक भरना है. Keep it on your palm, just like this. Keep it on your palm. And I want you to take 3 rounds from the 4th floor to the ground floor and come back to from 4th to ground and ground to 4th. And the condition is, you must remember that there should not be any drop spilled on the floor. You go to the ground floor, take a round, come back on the floor, take a round of the floor. Right? So he did this. With all his capacity, he managed to ensure that no drop spilled on the floor and he was able to do it successfully. He came back and he said, sir, I have done it. Now I'm, as you said, now please accept my resignation. So he said, okay, just tell me one thing. In this time when you invested your 2 hours while doing this, were you able to listen anyone talking about you or talking on your back or saying wrong things about you? He said, no. He said, my dear, in this time of 2 hours also people were talking about you. तुम्हारे बारे में वो बातें कर रहे थे. But the fact is तुम्हारा वहां focus नहीं था, तो तुमने सुना ही नहीं. So the idea is, if you centralize your focus on one area, automatically you will outperform. अगर आपने अपने फोकस को डाइवर्ट कर दिया तो आप लेक्चरेट हो या कोई भी चीज हो उसमें आप नहीं आउट परफॉर्म कर पाएंगे. Is that clear? 100%? Prashant got the answer?
Yes, sir. Got the answer. Yes.
Right. Wonderful. Great.